What it do, family? It's your boy Taxi PNG, man. We're back at it again with another one. I got music playing in my ears. Whoa, what's going on? So I got a little bit of music playing in my ears to like help me, I guess, like focus a little bit. But yeah, let me turn this down. Is it too high? Yeah, so today we're gonna be editing with presets, my presets in particular, but just presets in general. I'm gonna be doing like an old school vibe for these photos. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So these are like let me see. I'm gonna try to find it. Let me see. All right, so these are like the ones I did before, and I'm gonna just like run through the presets real quick to let you guys see the presets. I got some free ones on there. It's like 5 of my favorite, my most favorite ones, and they're free. It's gonna be down below under Lightroom presets, but I'm gonna just show you guys like, you know, a little vibe of like how to do it. And yeah, I haven't been feeling too well lately, like, you know, mental wise. I've been trying to like focus on my mental health a lot. I don't know whether you guys really care about that or not, but I'm just a person that just likes to talk. So I just feel like, yeah. So to open up the presets, you hit this right here, little button right here, and now you go down to presets. I have all my presets right here. So these are all the different presets that I have. And like, it kind of just, see, like this one's hard. These black and white ones are hard. Like they immediately make the images look like amazing. But I'm gonna edit them in Photoshop first before I put the presets on them, because I need to format them right and make sure that they have the right, like, you know, sizing and stuff. So the first thing I'll do is I'll right click on the image and then I'll edit in Photoshop. Right click on the next image and then edit in Photoshop. You want to put everything in Photoshop. Command J, hit C to crop, and then pick like a good spot for you to crop it at. I think like right here is probably pretty good straight. Boom, that's a good crop. Get my watermark from over here. Command C and then Command J, C, stretch it on out just like that. Oh, hold on, I'll make sure I change it to content aware. If you have like space on this side, it'll go a lot faster. If you have content aware with space on the side, they could generate that space easier, like if you're shooting in studio. And yeah, let me see. So I should do this pretty quickly. Generative fill usually takes a little bit of time to, like, you know, get it to where it needs to be at, but the other one kind of goes faster. I just copied my watermark, Command T, change the size and stuff. Make sure this is locked right here. Bring it on down. Later. I really hope that this screen recording saves, bro. It's gonna like piss me off if it doesn't, because everything's kind of going slow right now, and I'm like feeling like it's because of the screen recording. Hold Command, it should turn pink. Come on, man. So I have to restart the whole computer. Lately I haven't been feeling like putting my I don't know. Lately I haven't been feeling like putting my watermark on stuff lately. Like I haven't been feeling the like motivation to be like, oh yeah, let me put my watermark on this, you know. I do little minor touches on the skin. But I'm not gonna lie, presets are like low-key the fastest way for you to like get like the effect that you want. Like if you could find somebody who has the presets like the way that you want them, it'd probably be the fastest way for you to get the look that you want, like because you went directly to that person who has that style that you want. And everything's subjective, so it's like, you know, some people's presets are better than others and some people's styles are better than others, but better is also subjective. It's like based off what you like what do you see is better than what, like who do you think is more skilled than who, basically. And that's kind of like who you kind of go off of, where you like kind of like put your trust in when it comes to, like, you know, these presets and stuff. I hate that this is glitching out right now. Should I like restart my computer? I hate this is glitching out right now. But when you finish them, like if you move them around and stuff and you finish them, you could low-key like Command 0. Bro, I also found out how to like edit with the LUT, bro. So like you go to adjustments, scroll down here to lookup table, bro. I ain't even want to tell y'all this yet, but I just found this out. Like I was like, oh, there's other photographers that edit so much better than me, and I'm like, bro, why do they edit so much better than me? And then boom, I'm seeing it. I'm like, okay, boom, I found it. You know what I'm saying? I found what it was. I found how I did it. But yeah, I got different presets, not presets, but I got different LUTs and stuff too that I have for the video, for photos and stuff. Yeah, it's hard, but good to know. But yeah, so literally after you get this to like the shape that you want, you can press X and then you get save. save it, and now when you save it, it will go to back to Lightroom. So if you got it to the side that you want, it'll reload it back up in Lightroom, and then in Lightroom you could play around with the coloring of it. Yes, you could just do it in like Photoshop, but the presets are in Lightroom. So it's like I throw it back into Lightroom, I go around, play with the lighting and stuff, because I got the format and the editing how I want it to look. Then, you know what I'm saying, move it around and stuff. Got my watermark on there and stuff like that. So when you go back into Lightroom and whenever it loads back up, you'll be able to do it a lot better and easier. Let me stop the screen recording and see. I'm about to probably stop the screen recording. I'm gonna wait for these to come back. All right, boom. So like now you see they pull up right here. It's gonna pull up down here at the bottom, and this is the reformatted image right here. And we can go through the different like ways that we wanted to edit it. So it's like, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, these presets snap. But with presets, bro, all you really gotta do is you set it and then you change either the exposure, or you change the exposure or the shadows. Majority of the time, it's like, what's the problem? Like if you put on like a cool lab preset, you really just need like, so I'll put night green on, I probably got to go up on the shadows or down in the shadows. Like that's the one thing, the exposure and the shadows is like the one thing that's playing the biggest like part in this. Because especially if you're shooting like with a raw image, like when you're shooting raw, you're able to like change the white balance of the image and stuff like that, so it'll help you out. But both of these images just loaded back up down here, so now we can really edit them how we want with the presets. So I'm gonna literally just do all of these photos first before I edit them with the presets. But it definitely streamlines your workflow. I'm gonna go ahead and restart this. Yeah, so now I'm about to go ahead and continue, like I guess, running through the photos, edit in Photoshop. I do a little base retouch. I always do like, base like heighten on Lightroom before I put it into Photoshop. I always do like a like 5, I think 5 on the texture, and then I do 10 on the opacity. 5 on the texture and then 10 on the sharpness. So that's usually what I do. Then I kind of just go from there. And then it's like a wash, rinse, repeat between everything, for real. Content aware fill, always. Make sure your shoulders are in the middle. It's really just wash, rinse, repeat after this, honestly. So it's just wash, rinse, repeat until you get to the final images, to where like you actually know which ones you want to put the presets on and play with them a little bit. Let me know in the comments, like, do you guys use presets when editing? Have you ever used presets when editing? Do you think that you will start using presets when editing? Let me know. And don't forget, down below are the free presets for you guys to check out if you want to, if you would like to, you know, try them out. They're my presets that I'd be using, like the ones that you're seeing in this video right now, such as these right here. Hold on. Such as these right here. These are all mine right here. These are all them right here. So each of them, so the first one has 10, and then the second one has 10, but they're like a total different 10. And then the free one just has 5, which is like a has 5, which is 2 from 1 and 3 from 1.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it.